Getting design clients on Instagram is not just about posting with hashtags and waiting for clients to find you. There are 3 steps that you can actually do to find clients without waiting around for those hearts and comments or direct messages from clients to come to you. You can actually do something proactive about it, especially when you're running dry on client work and you want to see some influx of new work fast. I'm also going to tell you a 3-minute, really fast routine that you can do every single day to gain regular Instagram followers that could eventually turn into paying clients. So I'm saving that special tip for you until the end of this video, so definitely stay till then. Now, the first step is to find a hashtag that your ideal client would actually be using on their own posts. Okay, so for example, we're gonna say health coach, so hashtag health coach. Then what you want to do is go to the recent. So you find one and you go into their account. You want to follow them. You want to like their posts. You want to comment on 10 of their posts, something that you liked about what they shared. Go deeper with writing a longer comment than just, "That's so cool." You want to be specific to what they're sharing. For this one, I could say how they really nicely touched me as a mom of a girl and that I really appreciate that she's sharing this kind of message with other women. And then if they have a story and they, the little ring around their profile picture, watch it. They're gonna actually see that you watched it if they look at the people who watch their stories. And then you can also reply to it as well, saying something nice about it. Okay, so that is the first step. Now, step number 2 is, let's say you do website design, okay? You do web design for health coaches. So you can actually then go to their own website and see if it's up to the standards. Do you see something that could be improved about it? Or let's say you do brand identity. Do they have a cohesive look? Is there anything that is outpointing about their brand identity? Is it looking up to standards? Okay, so with those points in mind, on to step number 3, okay? You want to then send them a message with your findings. But really, really key is to first tell them something about them, their business that you like, okay? Be specific. Say something about a post that they shared that was helpful to you, and then mention that you noticed that they weren't using a specific strategy on their website, if you do web design, and that you would love to tell them about that or how it could actually help them to get more clients. Or maybe their brand identity isn't as cohesive as it should be and how it could actually help them in their business if they were to do a specific strategy on brand identity. So if they also have an email address on their website or even on their Instagram, you should reach out that way as well. This will be another added way for them to see your message. On average, it takes reaching out to about 7 people to get 1 to respond. So if you did this outreach actions every day, let's say to 14 people per day, you should be getting about 2 people responding. So it is really about numbers. The amount you do out there, the amount you put yourself out there is going to get you more people coming in. And you want to not copy paste the same thing over and over in your message. This is going to first off get flagged by Instagram as spam, and they're going to be much less likely to actually respond to you, those actual people that you wrote to, if it's not really tailored to them. Use their name and throw in some personal element that's truly genuine. You don't want to be lying. You will be very much noticed if you're saying something that's not truthful. Find something that's truthful about it and then tell them, such as that you like where they're located or you really admire what they're doing in their business. Anything to make them even more willing to respond to you. Now, if they do respond and they're not super engaged in the conversation yet, you can also ask them what they're struggling with in their business and get them to answer you that way. And then if this is something you're designed to help them to solve, you can relate what their struggles are back to your design services. They want their business to do better and be more successful. So if your services as a designer helps them to get those struggles handled, it is your duty to tell them that. It's not about slimy salesy or reaching out in a way that's interrupting their day. You are there to make their business better. So it's your duty to really make sure they know that. Now all of these 3 steps will obviously work even better if you have your profile optimized and geared towards this one specific type of client. If you know what they're struggling with and you know how your services help them to solve their struggles, and you show this in the content that's on your profile and in your website, that way when they go check out your Instagram account or even your website, they're more likely to follow you and respond to your message. And for figuring out who your ideal client is, in case you are having a hard time figuring that out, definitely check out my free guide in the description below to help you out. Now, that tip that I promised you at the beginning is spending time for 3 minutes every single day, going to the hashtag that your ideal client would use. So in this case, you could go with health coach if that's who your ideal client was, and just heart every recent post you can. Obviously, you can spend a lot more than 3 minutes on this, but if you are one of the first to like their post, they're gonna be more likely to check out your profile. Also, you can go deeper with this and comment on every one of the recent posts in this hashtag. Something non-spammy, something about that you like about that post. Now, doing this consistently every day, it's not gonna make your Instagram account explode, but it will help to grow your following with quality followers that could truly turn into your actual paying clients. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button below right now. And if you want to learn more about getting clients and setting up your own graphic design business for true success, definitely check out these videos here, which will go deeper for you into that subject. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.